welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's encode the logic. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about a program to check whether a number is a prime number or not. So without making any delay, let's quickly jump into the discussion. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that has no positive divisors other than 1 and itself. A number is said to be a prime number if it has no positive factors other than 1 and itself. For suppose if we compute the factors of any number, then if we get the number of factors as 1 and the number itself, then we can say that number is a prime number. If you see, for example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 are prime numbers because they are only divisible by 1 and the number itself. So 2 is divisible by 1 and also 2, right? And 3 is divisible by 1 and also 3. And if you go for the next number, 4, the 4 is divisible by 1 and also 2 and also 4, right? So that's why 4 is not a prime number. And if you see 5, 5 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and 5 only. And 6 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. Right. And then 7 is a prime number and then 11 is a prime number and 13 is a prime number and so on. We have so many prime numbers. So now we need to write a program to check whether a number is a prime number or not. The user will prompt a number and we need to print that number is a prime number or not. That's it. So before diving into the coding part, let's figure out the logic in a simple words. So at first we need to take the input. The input was n, of course, and then the logic part. My logic is very simple. So I will check, is there any number between 2 and n minus 1 is divisible by n? If it is divisible, then I will say that my number is not a prime number. If all the numbers within this range are not divisible by the number, then I will say my number is a prime number. So to implement this problem, I will use for else statement. So for the iterations from 2 to n minus 1, I will use a for loop and I will check, is there any number within this range is divisible by number or not? If it is divisible, then I will say my number is not a prime number and I will break. I will come out of the loop. If it is not divisible, means after completion of all iterations, then in the else statement, I will keep the number is a prime number. Simple. So now let's write the code for it. So let me keep a comment first. Check if a number is a prime number. Right. At first, we need to take the input, right? N equal to int of input of enter a number. And then I will use a for loop, right? For I in range of. So from where should I need to start my range? I need to start my range from 2 and need to go till n minus 1, right? So my range was 2, n. Fine. So what I need to check? I will check if n mod I equal to 0. This condition will take care of whether n is divisible by I or not, right? If it is divisible, what should I need to do? I need to print n is not a prime number. And once I got to know that my number is not a prime number, what should I need to do? I need to come out of the loop. For that, I will use a break statement. If all the iterations are completed, then I can say my number is a prime number, right? Simple. So this is the code, guys. Let me run this program. So I will enter 7. So 7 is a prime number. Fine. Let me run this program again. I will give 6. We know 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6, right? So 6 is not a prime number. Okay, fine. And let's run this program again. I will give 9. 9 is not a prime number because 9 is divisible by 1, 3 and 9, right? And let me run this program again. This time I will give 29. So 29 is a prime number. Fine. Once more, I will give 31. So 31 is a prime number. So in this way, we will write a program to check whether a number is a prime number or not using for loop. We can also implement the same program using while loop also. Okay, let's implement that. So for that, just simply remove this for loop and keep while. From where should I need to start my iterations? I need to start my iterations from I equal to 2, right? And I need to go till n minus 1, right? So that's why I kept I less than n. So this is my condition. I was starting my iterations from I equal to 2. I was not starting from I equal to 1 because we know 1 can divide any number. We know 1 is a factor of every number. So there is no need to check for 1. So that's why we started from I equal to 2. And one more thing. So in the while loop, we need to mention an increment or decrement statement. And in our case, we need an increment statement, right? So this is my increment statement. Now let's run the program. So I will give 13. So if you see 13 is a prime number, right? I will give 15. We know 15 is not a prime number, right? 101. 101 is a prime number. So I will give 907. 907 is a prime number. 102034. So it is not a prime number. So in this way, we can write the program to check whether a number is a prime number or not using while loop, guys. So that's it about today's video, guys. That was to check whether a number is a prime number or not. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!